Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And once again, I'm in my living room because I have one last haul because I was wrapping my nieces. I have 3 older nieces, if you didn't know, and they're all into clothes, so that's mostly what they've gotten. And I have 10 nieces and nephew all together here, and I try to make an even number of presents for them to unwrap. So I was thinking about that, and I got to counting, and I was like one short, really, like a good one for one of my nieces. And actually went looking for one thing and found a completely different one. So that's what this haul is about. It is actually a Goodies and Factory Connection because I wasn't really going to film the Factory Connection, but then I went ahead and went to Goodies tonight, so I need to show it. But first, let me show you. Do you see this mess? Like, and it goes like, hold on. We'll just like pan around. Yeah, I'm supposed to steal one of my nephews this weekend because it's going to take 2 trips. Like, you don't even know. It's like stacked up in my car, my little Corolla. And this robe, this video that I get this robe in is going up tomorrow as an Ulta haul. Because my Sephora Play still isn't here. Today's, okay, technically it's the 20th because it's like 12:30 something. So the Ulta haul is going to have to go up. It's Wednesday. It's the only thing I didn't have scheduled because I thought my Sephora Play would be in, but I didn't even get the email till like the 18th. I guess because the VIB sale and whatever, they just took their time shipping the Sephora Play this month. But whatever. So where I get this lovely robe will be up tomorrow. Okay, first thing I went to was Goody's, and I was looking for the intention. She is 13. She wears an extra small in juniors. You get by with a small on her, but she's a 0-1, basically, usually a 0 in juniors. You can buy with a 1. You can get by with a small. It just might be a little looser on her because she's just that skinny. She's tall. She's almost as tall as me, so it's like, all right. But I was looking for a big chunky sweater that they had very few in the ones. They only had one that was a small, and that was it in the junior section at Goody's now. That cardigans and stuff, I was like, no, I wanted like a chunky sweater because like I was thinking like her sister's got a big thick sweater that's technically really long enough for leggings, and I was kind of looking for that. But then I saw they had some doorbusters going on tonight. So she's been wanting a leather coat for a couple years, and I found her one that was like a kind of woolly looking one with like leather accents from Zulily, really cheap, and it was her birthday present last year, I think it was. Yeah, like last year. And as far as I know, she liked it, but she still wanted like a leather one. Now this one I didn't realize it had fur lining, but I did notice that the hood comes off if she doesn't want to hood fur, so she can't wear this around too long. But look at this. They were all junior outerwear was on sale for 20 bucks, so I went ahead and grabbed this. Look how cute that is. It does have some quilting. It's like a bomber-esque without being too like bombery, like too much material, too much puffiness in the bomber jacket, you know, with these lovely zip accents. I mean, those are nice. These are fully functional little pockets. Like, I don't know what she will stick down in there, but it's cute. And I guess the zippers work. Yeah, they're little pockets. So she will love this because she still wants one. And I guess nobody ever got her one, but it's like, it's leather. It's not real leather, you know, but that's what she wanted, like a total leather look. And I did notice because I was like, well, the fur hood. They had another one, but it was like that sweatpant material, like under, like attached and made like the hoodie inside or no, outside of it was that sweater material, but it wouldn't unattach. Like it was built into it, and it was like weird. I mean, she would have been happy with that, but I was like, well, this hood comes off, and she doesn't want to wear this hood, though it's very nice and very soft. But I didn't realize that the lining was like furry, but hey, winter coat. So I was really happy about that doorbuster tonight. Well, technically last night. I took a 4-hour nap, so that's why I'm still up, because I've just been having weird sleep issues. I'm not sleeping well. Yeah. And this I bought for me. It was $12.99 in the junior section. It's extra large. A lot of times in shirts and stuff for juniors, I have to go, 2X, 19, because my chest and my arms and shoulders. But this fit perfectly. And y'all know I've been looking for a looser cardigan, and this is a looser cardigan, and it's so cute. It has a hood. It's pretty thick and warm too. It's thicker than my other ones. So I'm really, really excited about this. So Merry Christmas to Nicole. Like I don't buy myself on but I do buy a lot for it. So, or family anyway. Okay, what I had gotten at Factory Connection, I just went, we always get, like for the past couple years since they kind of sized out of the kitty pajamas, my 3 older nieces hadn't gotten pajamas. But my one older niece, she has an extra present of some eye makeup, some eye palettes I had hauled earlier this year. So I went with the intention of Factory Connection to see if they had, like, you know, fleecy pants or something, you know, like pajama pants. And then I came across, and they did, but they were like $9 or $10. Then I came across these sets, and I only had a few of them, but they're so cute. And they were $11.99, so I was like, heck, I'm gonna buy them. Look how cute this is. It's like that, like, kind of baseball on John, like, theme. And it says mostly over it, which, my niece Alyssa, the one who's getting the leather jacket, she is a sarcasm queen. We're trying to get her to tone it back, to pick her moments, to actually make it where it's funny instead of just every sentence out of her mouth being sarcastic. Because the point of sarcasm is to be funny. She just likes being sarcastic. But I was like, that's so her. So it's really cute. I mean, in these. So I don't know how the other niece is going to feel, but she's getting a pair of sandals and a pair of, like, little booties and the eyeshadow palettes, you know, as presents. I don't. And clothes. She's getting, like, one less article of clothing than everybody else. But, so, with pants. And then for her sister, who's about 1.5 years older than her, I got this green one, which is really cute. It says love, 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 love. And it actually has it on the back. The other one doesn't have anything on the back. So it's really cute. Oh, those pants, I think, had a heart on them. Like the rhinestone. Yeah, they do. See, that's the difference. Like, that one didn't have a back decal, but it has a detail on the pants. These do. Yeah, okay, these do. And these are her pants, so I've got to wrap these. That's my point of sitting here. Okay, next thing I grabbed this from my sister-in-law because, well, she's went up in size. It's like, I don't think, she said a medium to a large, and she prefers larges. I'm like, I don't think she's that big. She doesn't look, you know, I can go large. But anyway, I found this, and it looked to be like, Mrs. sizes, and I think she will love that, because she kind of likes the hippie boho look too, like, but more this style, and I thought that was really, really cute, so I thought that'd be one of her presents. And then this one I got for me. I didn't try it on, so I'm hoping it fits, but I think it was on sale. Yeah, it was marked down to $12.50, so it was half off. Just went ahead and got the extra large, and it seems way big. It might be really big on me, but it'd be alright. Because it's made of that clingy material, so it's going to cling a little bit, so I'd rather have it a little bit big. And plus with that collar, I don't know about this collar bit, but with the little snap buttons. But look, it's like lace up there. And look how cute. These are just, I wear these dresses to work all the time. And y'all probably seen them in videos too. So, Merry Christmas to me again. And the rest of that was for other people. So yeah, I figured I'd share that before I get to wrapping it. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.